Isa lang po yung pinaka naging mission ng Golden Ratio, matulungan yung mga kapwa Pilipino na kumita sa trading.
Si Golden Ratio is an educational providing community so that magkakaroon kayo ng smooth sa trading journey ninyo. Our one mission lang naman po is magkaroon ng alam, maging profitable po yung mga magiging traders na galing sa Golden Ratio.
ACCM started last 2007. We are actually based in Sydney, Australia and has presence worldwide. And currently, nandito tayo sa Philippines para mas marami tayong communities na matulungan. And with the onboarding process, mabilis lang naman. We have a team of traders and account managers na tumutulong sa mga clients natin para mas padali yung pag-join nila sa ACCM.
I really believe, and I always believe, if right now you are looking for an opportunity, let's say hirap ka sa buhay, kapos lagi sa bills, it doesn't take 5 years para baguhin ang buhay mo. It will only take 5 seconds. If you would decide right now na bibigyan mo ng oras ang trading, pag-aaralan mo ang trading, at magbibigay ka talaga ng effort, time, to learn trading, then you are in a good decision. But just by one simple decision, that can change your life. Kasi if nakapag-decide ka at ginawa mo yung gusto mong gawin, I believe na dahan-dahan pwede niyong kitain yan.